Okay, YouTube. So I finally bit the bullet. Bought the GoPro 7 Hero Black along with the audio adapter and also a Purple Panda mic and this cool housing that you can put the audio adapter down in there. So we're going to try it out. I'm hoping this solves the issues, because if not, I'm going to be very disappointed. Let's find out. So we'll just do a quick test ride and see what happens. So today is Tuesday. What is today? Tuesday, February 11th, 2020. It was cold this morning. It was, oh, you know what? My face shield is hitting, my face shield's hitting the GoPro. So I might have to adjust that a little bit. Right now my face shield's open. I guess I didn't check to see if I could close my face shield when I got this set up, so let's see here. I'm gonna pull off over here, see if we can adjust this. I didn't even think about that. All right. I wonder how far I'm gonna have to adjust it to close it. Alright, we'll see how this angle is. I might have to do a little bit of adjusting on the arm there, or redo it. It's got the same setup from my old camera. The old camera, the housing was definitely smaller than this. So I'm hoping this really helps with the wind noise and the distortion. The audio from the cheap camera sounded just like garbage, so I don't know if it was just the mic or the camera or both. I did buy a mic that was like 30 bucks and had great reviews, but I didn't read if any of them were used for a similar application. So we'll go up to curb rail here and get on the freeway and give it a test on the freeway and see how it does. I'm definitely gonna have to adjust this because I'm gonna need to open my face shield from time to time. And right now you're probably looking kind of down. I don't know, we'll see. I have a feeling it's pointed slightly down. It's kind of hard to tell by looking at it. Oh, let's see here. Yeah, I'll do some more playing with it. I'm sure we can get it adjusted to where it'll work. If worst case, I might have to take the mount off, which I could probably just do with the heat gun. Heat the adhesive up, pull it off. Alright, this light is taking forever. I really, really, really hope that this fixes the problem and I have some decent audio. I did the same setup that Blockhead did. It's even the same helmet, same camera. The only thing that might be different is I think Blockhead just used a mic he got on Amazon. I don't think it was the Purple Panda, but I've seen lots of reviews, especially on YouTube, on the Purple Panda. And I've got it tucked under the cheek pad in the same location Moto did on his helmet. Okay, well, here's a real test. We'll be getting on the freeway here. Alright. So we'll check. This is 60 miles an hour. 65 miles an hour. There is quite a bit of wind. So we'll see how it does. Well, you know what? This is already my exit. So that wasn't a real long test, but I just wanted to do a real quick short one anyways, just to see how it does. And now all I can think about is I got to adjust the arm there so it doesn't, so the face shield's not in the way. Can't believe I didn't notice that. Alright. I'm kind of hungry. I got off work early today because maintenance man was supposed to come by and look at a broken washer. Found him on Craigslist. He never showed up. So I just YouTubed it and found out how to fix it. The part was $8.99 on Amazon, so I'm just gonna order it, and it looks like it's a couple screws. You unplug the switch, put the new switch in. Probably definitely a heck of a lot cheaper than paying the handyman. So hopefully my washer still works when I'm done. It's the lid switch. There's 101. That was a very, very, very quick ride. Sorry, I gotta learn, try to stop sniffing and snorting in my helmet. It probably sounds disgusting. One thing I noticed with that other camera, I don't know if it was mic position, but you could sure hear me breathing. It sound like I'm an obese guy that's about to have a heart attack. Which I am overweight, but I don't think I look like I sound when I'm breathing all heavy into the mic. And I remember watching other videos where that same thing was going on and thought, that is so annoying. And then here I am doing it. Alright, well, we'll go find out if it worked. Fingers crossed. Hope so. Like I said, I'm going to be very disappointed if the audio still sounds like garbage. I might just go in and cry. If it is still noisy, it's probably going to be a better helmet that I need, which I thought I got a decent one. It was a Bell. Got rid of the built. I'd always purchase those cheap built helmets, and those are extremely... Do you not see me? Okay, yep, I'm right here. Looked like for a second he was going to turn in. Huh, okay, as long as he doesn't kill me, I'll just get a new bike. All right. Doop. My dirty garage. All right, wish me luck, YouTube.